Hey y'all, it's Zamina Org checking in, and today we are doing an unboxing video. So I've had these wonderful gifts for a while, and I have not unboxed them because I've been traveling. And as you can see, right now I'm in my comfortability mode at home, but I have a wonderful dinner to go to for my friend, Looks by London. Check him out, he's a wonderful, amazing stylist. And I just felt like I want to unbox my gifts because I have not opened them, so I'm gifting myself today. I bought these for myself, and I like to treat myself to wonderful, amazing things. So I'll buy myself things and I won't open them until I feel like I deserve to open them. So that is what's happening here, and you're gonna be a part of that today. So which one should I open first? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Actually, right too. This is the one you should pick before you get ready to go. Alright, so we're gonna start with this one first. So we got some Dior, you know what I'm saying? And if you adore me, then you Dior me. You know what I'm saying? So you know the same. But either way, I adore myself, so I Diored myself. And this is the packaging for Dior. I love their packaging. I love their boxing. The boxing matches the bag. I think that is super cool because it's just very sturdy and very classy, and it's just very chic and clean. Mine is a little scuff mark here, but it's just very chic and clean. So this right here, I'm not gonna lie, because I know what's inside. This is definitely gonna be like my favorite bag that I own besides my silver Chanel. But this is gonna be my favorite bag because I love black. I love black. I love metallic silver. And I bought my mom this babe, can you pass me that bag? Yeah. I bought my mom this big, I love big bags for one. So a big black bag. I bought my mom this really big black bag for her birthday last year. She left it here. She's coming back to get it though. And I was like, dang, I'm like, I want a big black bag too, but I didn't find one that I really liked. And I didn't want to buy the same one, even though she said I could borrow hers, and I will when I feel like it. But I was like, no, I'll just, you know, whenever I feel that I found the one, I'll find the one, and that'll be that. I'm not getting a black bag until I find the one, and I feel like right now this is the one. So shout out to my mommy. This is her bag. I've never worn it. That's hers. I didn't want to touch it. I want her to enjoy her own stuff. But now I'm about to enjoy my stuff. So let's do it. So let's see what I got. This is gonna be so amazing. I've been waiting to try this on and to have this in my possession for so long. And I didn't open it because I wanted to wait until a special moment, and here's the special moment. And the special moment is that I'm alive, and today is, what day is it?
July 3rd.
July 3rd. And I'm alive, like I said, and it's July 3rd. And a lot of people didn't get a chance to open their eyes this morning, so why wait? That's the celebration. So it is beautifully boxed. I love it. Hey, Suge. Are you coming to watch mommy open her bag? Huh? This is Suge. That's my big boy Suge. I've had him about 13 years, a little bit longer than I had Simply. And are you ready, guys? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. Ready? Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Ta-da! Ooh, yay! This is none other than the all-leather black Christian Dior. Beautiful, chic, amazing. Do you see all the detailing in this? Amazing. I love Christian Dior. I definitely do. And I had to get this bag. So let's check her out a little bit more. Now look on the inside, right? She came with a nice authentication card. Let's see what that entails. What's up in here? Oh, okay, so because she is definitely real, not fake, we don't do fakes over here. It came with an authentication card to show the authentication of my bag. And I'm super excited. So let's look on the inside. It's a nice suede. Oh, came with another card, 59. A nice suede look on the inside. I love it. Nice and clean. Gotta keep her nice and clean. And I'm in love with this bag. So this will be definitely like one of my most worn bags because she's big and she's black, just like me. Big, black, and beautiful, baby. So I am super excited to have her in my possession, and I am never letting her go. I don't like to sell my things. I work hard for my things, but when I get them, I'm not looking to sell them. And that's on that. So this is my wonderful black bag, but I could not stop there. I could not stop there. I had to get something to match, because one thing about me is, oh, and this one, see, look, if you look, this one is actually bigger than this one that I got my mommy. It's taller, and let's see if it's wider. Let's see, we're gonna put it up to the side. Oh, it actually is. Not by much, but it's a little wider as well on the side. Can you see that? You catching that? Yeah, so it's a little wider, and I know it's definitely taller, so this is definitely going to be everywhere I go. It's big and black and beautiful, just like myself. It got curves, just like myself. So, yes, this is my staple bag for now. And are you ready for the next thing? Can I get a drum roll again? Alright, so I'm having a Let That Thought Out pool party tour, and this will be perfect for it. Woo! Yes! Oh yes, baby. This is exactly what I need to let that thought out this summer. With Babe by my side, of course. But yes, this is gonna be dope. Black Viser with a black bag. And you know, all I'm missing at this point is some black dental floss. That's it. And we're good to go. You know what I'm saying? Some black beep. Yeah, that's it. Some black beep to go with all that. So yes, so this right here, I know I look kind of crazy right now. I'm getting my hair and makeup done for that party I told y'all about later. So I'm in my natural state, but hair and makeup coming next. Y'all will be visible to see all that stuff and how it goes. A day in the life as Amina and how I get ready for events. Big, small, whatever. But today is a dinner and I'm excited to be there with my bag, of course. Now, let's see what we have next, because we didn't stop there. Oh, I'm sorry, Shugs. I'm sorry, Shugs. We got something else. So, I went to Saks Fifth, probably like, I got this bag like, I think like 2 months ago. And I never unboxed it. I just had it here waiting for me for when I felt like unboxing it. So I got this bag like 2 months ago. I went on like a little shopping spree and just treated myself to mad stuff. I got this bag the same time I got that Louis Vuitton puffer vest and the visor and stuff. I just didn't open it, but I got something from Saks. And I normally don't do what I'm about to show you I bought. I don't do white. I normally don't do white because me and white don't, I don't know. Like I don't know, I just don't. But I had to. And are you guys ready to see what I have in the box? Can I get a drum roll again? Let's do it! So excited! Are you ready to see it? Alright, Saks Fifth, let's see what you got for me. Wonderful, embossed Givenchy jacket.
God bless you.
Oh yes. So, let's see. Do you see all the details on this? Like I said, I normally don't do white, but it fit me so nice. And I just had to. So I did it.
Hold it right there. Come out.
Yes.
Get the detail. 3, 2. Turn around.
Oh, yes. And my visor. And we're good to go. It's gonna be lit this summer. Let's do it.
And you can finish off what you're saying right to this
Yes,
camera.
so I'm gonna try this bad boy on for you. Just so y'all can see what it's giving. Yes. So I love it. It fits me nice. And this is what it's giving. Like I said, I don't normally wear white, but I tried it on and I thought it fit nice, so I got it. Do y'all like how it's looking, y'all? I know y'all like how all this is looking, but you know, do y'all like how this is looking? Yes. So I won't be wearing this. I mean, who knows? I might wear it together. Who knows? You're gonna help style me, so we're gonna get it together. But this is my unboxing. I hope y'all had fun opening with me and just seeing the stuff that I bought and treated myself to. I have a rule, just for some of y'all that don't know. I cannot buy myself things until I hit my quota for the month. So, I like high ticket items or whatever, I don't allow myself to buy them until I hit my quota for the month. Once I hit my quota for the month, then I treat myself to those things. And that is something that I feel like is vital for you to be able to enjoy the things you want in life and be disciplined at the same time, so that way you make sure that in times like this where we're headed into a recession, you don't have any regrets with how you spent your money, because you worked hard to be able to achieve the things that you want. And it's about balance in life. So for me, coming from a place of being poor and not having, and only dreaming of being able to buy a designer ticket item, this is very important to me. Even when I was a dancer, like I never bought myself a bag, like never bought myself anything designer. Like when I was a dancer, I didn't buy any designer anything, because I just didn't feel like I had enough money to afford those things. And you know, dancers do make good money, but I didn't feel like I wanted to spend the money I was making on this. I wanted to spend my money I was making on getting out of the club, not just to stay in the club. So I wasn't doing that. I said once I got out the club, that's when I would buy my first designer thing, and I held my word to that, and I did. So that's when I started hauling out buying stuff like this. So word to the wise, I know y'all want to do these things, but please make sure you be responsible with your money, so you can actually live a life of freedom, because freedom to me is more important than anything else. It's more important than going back to a job that you don't like and being able to afford that one vacation but still going back to a job that you don't like. I feel like setting yourself up for life and having freedom is more important than all of that. So it's really important that you just keep that in mind. If you have a job you don't like, if you're doing something that you don't particularly care for, don't take that extra vacation, or do it but in moderation. Don't ball out and buy this, that, and the other. Like, make sure you're setting your quota. Like, even if, let's say, like, all right, every month you make this, as long as you're putting to the side what it is that you need to put to the side every month to reach towards that goal, then you can buy yourself in moderation certain things. But should you be spending your whole check on something like this, knowing that you have to go back to a job you hate and you're miserable at? No. Be smart with your stuff. And that's what I'll say. Everybody can live the life they want to live within moderation. And I said it. Hey, say hi to our new favorite girl. Say Stormy. Lord, oh gosh. She jumped out my hands. Stormy. Hey, Stormy. Say hi. Say hi, Stormy. And this is my girl, Cupcake. Right, Cupcake? It's Cupcake. And this is Brown. Come say hi, Brown. Say hi, Brownie. Say hi. This is Brownie. That's her dad. And, this right here is Suge. Old man Suge. So these are my babies. I'm a dog lover, as you can see, and we are all going to Miami. Woo! So I will see y'all. Bye.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Oh yes, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Hit the notifications, because you want to see everything that I have coming up. I am so happy. I have a wonderful, amazing videographer slash everything I need photographer behind the camera, and his name is Papa TV. And I am happy to have him on my team. I wanted him on my team for a while. So you guys will definitely be getting the videos that I've been promising you guys for a long time to come, because he's the man with the plan that's gonna make it happen for y'all. So we should be posting, how many times a week you think, possibly? Maybe like, what,
3 to 5.
Yeah, 3 to 5 times a week. So we ain't gonna talk about it too much. We just gonna show y'all. The proof is about to be in the pudding. And if y'all have any ideas that you want us to do, email us. We're putting the email down below. Make sure you let us know what it is that you want to see me do. How you want me to hit the streets and give it up? Like, I'm with all of the smoke. I want all the smoke. So send it in the email right below.